Now shifting our focus to Nepal, where rapper turned politician Balendra Shah takes charge as the new Prime Minister of Nepal and is also the youngest person to hold the office. Nepal President Ramchandra Paul administers the oath of office in a ceremony involving scores of chanting Hindu priests and red-robed Buddhist monks. Well, the swearing-in ceremony was held at the President's office in Sheetal Niwas at Kathmandu. Shah was elected as the leader of the RSP parliamentary party yesterday. Ahead of the ceremony, Nepal's President Ramchandra Paul officially appointed Balendra Shah as the next Prime Minister of Nepal, as per Article 76 of the Constitution. Shah's Rashtriya Swatantra Party, that had projected Balendra as the prime ministerial candidate, it secured a landslide victory in the March 5th parliamentary poll, with 182 seats out of a total of 275 seats in the House of Representatives. Now, Shah has remained silent publicly after his victory on March 5th election. He issued his first message via a rap song on Thursday and urged for unity. "The strength of unity is my national power," Shah sang in the song, which racked up tens of thousands of views within minutes of being released on social media and streaming sites. Shortly after that, when his rap song was released, the outgoing interim Prime Minister bid farewell to the nation in a televised broadcast. Sushila Karki, a former Chief Justice who led the caretaker administration for 6 months, she said the country's future lay in the hands of a younger generation. The rapper-turned-politician Balendra Shah is a structural engineer. The sharply dressed 35-year-old, who usually sports trademark dark sunglasses, Shah rose to national prominence as Kathmandu's mayor after winning the post as an independent in 2022. He later joined the RSP and quickly became the candidate for Prime Minister, emerging as a symbol of youth-driven political change. Balen is also going to be the first person from Madhes region to hold the top executive post in the country. Well, the polls in Nepal were held after the deadly youth-led uprising in September 2025. Shah had emerged as a key figure during the bloody youth-led uprising in September that toppled government in the nation of 30 million people after a wave of unrest which left dozens dead.